and you just be like, ah. But then you realize when you're an entrepreneur, you don't get days off unless you schedule days off. What's up, HD Squad? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Debonay, and today is an Herb Monday. We're gonna come up with a better name for that so you know it's really catchy. But for now, you know the first thing we do is we share some music, so let's go. This is like one of those chill swag songs. Oh, geez, that's my nose. You can say it's a gang thing. You can say it's a gang thing. Ethereal is just so chill. What we have is much more than they can see. You know, sometimes you just gotta swag out in your room while you listen to music, and that's cool. Anyways, let's get to today's herb, which is gonna be Ashwaganda. And so, scientific name, Withania somnifera. And this is such a great herb. We use the root. And what this herb is really known for is its ability to stimulate the pituitary and adrenal glands. And if you didn't know, your pituitary is a really small gland about the size of a pea that's right at the base of your spine, right under your hypothalamus. And this actually is one of your master glands that, I'm going to say the master gland, that regulates your entire endocrine system. And your endocrine system is what actually secretes your hormones. And so your pituitary gland helps to secrete your hormones that will start to flood into the bloodstream. Let me toss this out the way. And so with that being said, family, it's really important for us to have balanced hormones. And to have balanced hormones, you need to be eating a diet that's really rich in green leafy vegetables, bitter, salty, sweet, because all of these different foods stimulate different parts of your system. And so with the ashwagandha, with it stimulating your pituitary and adrenal glands, this is a really great herb if you are suffering from fatigue. It's known to enhance your overall energy levels. It's also known to be used as tonic for your reproductive area. So what this actually does is ashwagandha also lessens stress for the body because it supports your adrenal glands, which are your two glands that actually help your body deal with stress. So you'll notice if your adrenal glands are probably not as functioning as healthy as they should be, you'll probably notice fluctuating hormones, and the symptoms of that can be anywhere from anxiety to insomnia to irritability to, you know, not being able to concentrate fully. So there are a lot of things that we don't connect to our hormonal balance when it comes to these problems, because some of us have anxiety and it's probably just a hormonal imbalance because the body is not being fed the nutrients that it should be to be able to balance those. And to balance hormones, we need things like healthy fats that we get from avocados, nuts, and seeds. We need nutrients like vitamin A, especially vitamin E, which is a fat-soluble vitamin. All of these are super important nutrients that you want to be getting into your diet. You never want to just take a herb without really doing your research about which other vitamins that you're going to need for that herb to work most effectively. And who doesn't want good hormones? It means that your mood is going to be more constant throughout the day. Irritability is not going to get to you as much. You're going to be having less anxiety. So if there are any of you out there that are struggling with anxiety, you may want to really check in with your hormones and see where that's at. Because hormones affect so much, from your mood to your hair growth cycles, to if you're a woman, your menstrual cycles. For men, it'll affect your testosterone and androgen and estrogen levels, all your really hormonal things in your body that help to keep you balanced. So it works on your pancreas, which secretes insulin, which is a hormone. So it's just, I can't stress enough how important it is. It's so important to have your hormones balanced, because especially for women, you may notice it more than men, but you're going to be noticing things like your hair growth isn't right, or you're going to be noticing like your nails aren't growing as much as they used to. This is going to be especially helpful to help women battle premenstrual syndromes like headache, like fatigue, like premenstrual body ache. So you got to really check in with your diet and see what you can add in and what you can take out to get your body in the best shape possible. Ashwaganda also helps to stimulate bone marrow growth, which leads to fresh new blood cells, which leads to your body being rebuilt in a way better way. So it's actually going to help you to be more youthful. Ashwaganda is also known to lower fevers, lower swelling, and help to stabilize your blood sugar. With it being able to improve your stamina, increase overall energy, and to help you deal with stress better in the body, I actually paired up ashwaganda with the maca and several other herbs that you can find in my Happy Travels formula. And so if you want to actually grab that formula, just head on over to my website, which is herbalistdebonae.com, which I'm going to be changing the name of that soon, so keep your eye out. What else about ashwaganda? Ashwaganda is also known as Indian ginseng and known as wild cherry root in England. Alright HD Squad, if you enjoyed this video, you already know what to do. Click that like button, and I'll put my most recent video here and the subscribe button here, and I'll see you on our Yoga Wellness Wednesday. Have a great day. I love you. See you soon. Mwah.